Hi guys. Guys, guess who's Mamkhulu? Guess who got a position of uMamkhulu? At last, yazi le position iyalwelwa. Utirelo ke Mamkhulu at this point in time, guys. Tirelo has been lobolat. Usbindi stood up as a man, wahamba wayolobola utirelo, guys. Congratulations to Mpumelelo and Tirelo. Guys, our family online says, you know what? This whole Tirelo thing and Impumelelo thing, it gives Siyacela and Thando's vibes. It gives ama vibes wakhe Siyacela and Thando. This is what Baba Dlamuka did exactly. He paid lobola for umntanakhe uSiyacela and did everything for uSiyacela. This is why Siyacela namhlanje angana respect, angana responsibility, because everything came on a silver platter. And this is what Musa is doing. Musa is spoon feeding Lomtana. Musa is spoon feeding Mpumelelo so much, guys. You know, there are things as a parent that you have to do, and there are things that you, even if you've got money, you're gonna sit down and say, you know what, let this boy go and look for a job or start working so that he can know what is responsibility. So yeah, not everything comes easy. We are shuttle mfazi. The car that he's driving, ubabakhe gave it to him. So when is he gonna have that sense of responsibility? And it's not like Musa doesn't feel the pinch. Yeah, I feel like a pinch Musa, because there was a time that he went to do those ukusheleza. Atshela Baba Flo, atshela uGok Flo that Gok Flo uMusa uyenza abantwana, and then after that I'm the one who's supposed to take care of abantwana baka Mpumelelo. He's not happy, but I don't know why is he really spoiling lomntwana. But on the other hand, ngicabanga ukuthi he's doing that because akafuni abantwana baka Mpumelelo they must just all of them babe abandoned. Akayifuni leyo with all his heart, knowing very well that naye uyatsho ukuthi babakhe abandoned him. So that one is something that he doesn't want, and there's a reason why maybe he's doing that for Mpumelelo. He's trying ukuthi put abantwana baka Mpumelelo together. You understand? So guys, it's difficult to be umzali. It's very difficult, and we can't judge because we are not in that situation. And on the other hand, ubabakho pays lobola for you. Makaqeda, you still go uyothatha omunye intombazana to come and introduce. I mean, really now. Hi guys, you know, sometimes you really have to be responsible. We don't say he should abandon Istanbul, but this is not the right time ukuthi ahamba ayofunana nabafazi. Akanamali. Your father is paying lobola for you, and you are going to go and get another person. It shows ukuthi you don't even feel a pinch. You don't even feel that thing ukuthi yazi somebody sacrificing for me. I have to sit down and, you know, behave. Yo guys, it's not nice. I don't want to lie. It's not nice. Even for Musa, it's not nice. You know, sometimes you give birth to abantwana and they will just do things that doesn't align with you as a parent. And Mpumelelo doesn't want to be advised. He knows too much. He even wants to advise babaki. Maragana mali. Why do you open your mouth ungana mali? What are you going to say? You don't have money, but you want to advise people who've got money. Uthi babakhe naye unamaphutha wakhe. Hey, what, you know. Guys, let's meet on the other video. Let's not forget to subscribe and like, guys. Thank you for your support. Bye.